Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Day Everyday channel. In today's video we will be talking about thread clearance. If you are as into 3D printing as I am, you have probably faced issues with isometric threads after printing. For example, you print out a screw and a nut only to find that the thread clearance is too tight, making it impossible to assemble the two pieces. So today I will show you how to fix that. So first of all, I will design a simple set of a screw and a nut, and then I will print these elements and we will test how they work together. Additionally, I will try to screw in a nut with standard isometric clearance using my electric screwdriver because I'm curious to see if it's possible to do this without damaging the nut. So guys, if you don't want to miss my next video, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get designing.
Okay guys, so here is the workspace in Fusion 360. I will start with the sketch. I will create a new polygon. I will set the polygon to 8.5. Next I will create a circle, 10mm circle. Okay, now I will extrude the circle and the polygon 7mm. Okay, done. Next I will extrude the circle to 20mm. Okay, I will modify edges here. I will use for that the chamfer function. Okay, I will put here 0.5mm. Now it's time to modify the side edges. I will use for that the fillet option. I will type here 1mm. Okay, it looks nice. Now it's time to create the nut. For that I will split the body to two bodies. Okay, I will copy the one of the bodies and paste it. Okay, the nut is almost ready. Now I have to create a sketch here and create a circle, 10mm circle. Okay, now I will extrude that circle. Okay, we have a hole here, 10mm hole, and now I will combine these two bodies. Okay, and I will create two components, one for the screw and one for the nut. I will change names here for these components. Okay, done. Okay, it's time to create the thread. Isometric profile 10mm, M10, 6G right hand, and you have to choose the modeled version. It's very important because in this case the thread will be visible in the project. Okay, we are doing the same for the nut. Okay, it's done. The set is ready. Now it's time to screw in the nut into the bolt. For this we have to use the joint function. Okay, it's done. Now we will check how it looks inside. For that we will use the middle plane option. Okay, and now we will use the section analysis. Okay, done. As we can see, the position of the nut is wrong. We have to modify the joint connection. We have to change the angle to 180. Okay, as you can see, the clearance between these two parts is too small. For sure we'll have a problem to screw in the nut into the bolt after printing out these two parts, so we have to modify the clearance. Now I will show you how to do that. So first of all, I will copy these two components and paste it, and I will make the modification to the new set. Okay, so now you have to mark all thread surfaces, and next use the offset face command, and you have to type -0.2. Remember that you have to modify only the NAT thread. Now you can see the difference. Okay guys, so for addition I will mark these two NATs because I want to know which one was modified, and I think it will be easier to perform a test later with the information. For the test purpose I will create two additional sets, one M8 and one M6. Okay, it's time to print out all models. For that I will use my favorite slicer, which is Simplify 3D. I will print out this part using the PLA material. I think it's strong enough for the project. I will use my standard profile for the PLA. And keep in mind that the support is not needed here. Okay guys, it's time to perform the test. First I will start with 3 sets with modified clearance. I will start with the M10, next I will test the M8, and the last one will be the M6. As you can see, all 3 sets work perfectly. I can screw in the nut without using any additional force. Okay, but what about sets with the standard clearance? Let's check that. As you can see, it's not possible to screw in the nut without any tools, so I will try to use my electric screwdriver for that. As you can see, it works, but only if you are using tools. It's still not possible to screw in the nut by hands. Okay, let's try to test next two sets. Seems only the M10 set survived my test. Okay guys, it's all for today. Just remember to subscribe to my channel because only 2% of my viewers have subscribed so far. See you next time, bye bye!